How to fix microphone not working on Windows. Hello everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this tutorial we are going to see how you can fix if you're having trouble with your microphone. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also smash like on this video. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Let's begin. So the very first thing that you want to do is right click on your Windows settings, a Windows icon, and open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you have to go to privacy and security, click right here, and from here you will see different options like general, speech, and everything else. You have to scroll down to app permissions and click on microphone. So it will give you a list of all apps that has access to your microphone or that does not. So what you want to do is find the app that is having trouble using your microphone and make sure that the access is turned on. So for example, if you are using Skype and your microphone access is not turned on, you just want to turn this on so that your Skype will be able to access your microphone. So this is the first method. The second method that you can do is go ahead and search for control panel on the search bar and open it. Once you open up your control panel, if your screen is something like this, you want to view the icons for large. And once you make your icons large, here you will just have to find your sound settings. So I'm just going to click on sounds, and this little window will pop up right here. Now on playback, you will get a list of all of your device speakers that have previously been connected. So just choose your default speaker. Now right click on it and just make sure that it's working properly. So click on properties, and from here you just want to head over to levels and make sure that your level is set to 100. So click on OK. So you're going to do the same thing on the recording part where you will find your default microphone. Click on properties, head over to levels, and make sure that your microphone level is up to 100. Now the last thing that you want to do is open up your settings again, and you just want to troubleshoot your microphone. So click on system, scroll down until you see troubleshoot. Click right here. Now on other troubleshooters, you will see most frequent and others. So if you have your microphone listed right here, you just want to run this troubleshooter and restart your computer once. Then your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.